Tom and Jerry and the Cat Lady. Chapter 23. Revaluation. It was the next morning. The sun was rising over the city of San Francisco. Meanwhile, at Miss Lucifer's mansion, Puffy was sleeping in her bed in the living room. Moments later, Puffy woke up. She stretched her body out. "Good morning, Tom and Butch," Puffy said exhaustedly. Then, Puffy noticed that Tom and Butch was not in their beds. "Huh? Where did those guys go?" Puffy questioned, confused. Puffy then got up and started looking around the living room for them. Then, she started hearing an echo from the kitchen. "What the hell is that?" Puffy questioned, confused. Moments later, Puffy ran into the kitchen, trying to find where that echo is coming from. "Tom, Butch, are you here?" Puffy questioned, confused. Then she heard the echo coming from the cabinet on the far left. Puffy then ran up to the cabinet at the far left. Puffy pressed her ears to the door of the cabinet to listen what's inside it. "Help!" the mysterious voice echoed panically. Puffy's eyes widened in fear. Puffy opened the cabinet. Inside the cabinet was a glass jar filled up with water. She noticed that Jerry was drowning in the jar. Puffy quickly grabbed the jar and smashed it to the floor, freeing Jerry. Jerry was laying on the floor, regaining his breath. "Are you all right, Mouse?" Puffy questioned worriedly. "I think so. Thanks for saving me," Jerry muttered exhaustedly while coughing up water. "Wow, I can't believe I just saved a mouse. I feel disgusted," Puffy said sarcastically. Jerry then explained everything to Puffy. "Are you kidding me?" Puffy questioned in shock. "Yes, she's planning on turning you into a stuffed statue. We have to get you and Tom out of here," Jerry explained panically. Suddenly, they began to hear Miss Lucifer coming down the stairs. Puffy and Jerry's eyes widened in fear. "It's time for us to hide," Puffy said nervously. Puffy grabbed Jerry and ran back into the living room.